Hello everyone! Next time, we will start MUJI June Eco Bag series. Let's try to arrange a simple jute bag to your original eco bag. Fortunately, MUJI jute eco bags are available on B5 size for 190 yen, A4 size for 250 yen, and A3 size for 290 yen. We have a lot of design to arrange them. Which one do you like the best? This is a design of blue hat when I go to MUJI with this bag. The shop staff was so impressed and said very cute. This is a black geometric pattern. This is the best match with any of your outfits. This is a jute eco bag with nail design. It is a fashion conscious ladies. This is a ribbon design. I'm sure it will be a great gift for your children or grandchildren. This is design of cherries. When I showed the bag to my daughter, she said, "It's cute. Want this?" This is an embroidery design with white threads. With white threads, embroidery on the jute is very refreshing and summery. This is a voluminous ribbon design with a hat and a rose. It looks cool to bring. This is a white flower design. It has a three-dimensional effect. This is the most popular with its delicate and pretty design. This is a rose design. This is perfect for mature women. For yourself, for your daughter, for a child, for a present to someone. It can be used for various purposes. I used it as a shipping bag, as an embroidery accessories bag, and as a gift. The videos are made for both beginners and experienced. We upload one lesson every Saturday. If you are interested, please subscribe to our channel. Let's enjoy the time staying home together. Also, we are glad if you give us a good rating. My grandmother will be highly motivated. See you next time!